In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your SimplePractice calendar view. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a calendar that mirrors your real work week, highlights only the hours you actually use, and displays times in the time zone that makes the most sense for your practice. Start by opening your calendar inside SimplePractice. In the top area of the calendar, click the gear icon to open your settings. This is where you control how the calendar looks and behaves for you. From the menu that appears, select Calendar Preferences. Think of this as your control center for display choices and time settings. In the Display section, begin by choosing which days you want to see. You can show a full week, weekdays only, or Monday through Saturday. Pick the view that matches how you operate. If your practice runs Monday to Friday, weekdays only keeps things focused and less cluttered. If you sometimes see clients on Saturdays, Monday-Saturday ensures those sessions aren't hidden. And if you like to see all 7 days, the full week setting gives you the widest overview, which can be helpful for planning coverage or reviewing weekend commitments. Next, set the hours of the day you want the calendar to display. This is where you align your visible working hours with your actual schedule. Choose a start time that matches your earliest appointment and an end time that aligns with your latest. Keeping this tight to your real day reduces scrolling, makes gaps easier to spot, and helps you plan more efficiently. This setting is strictly visual. It doesn't change your availability rules or scheduling permissions. It simply controls what portion of the day you see at a glance. If it's relevant to how you work, go to the time zone section and set your primary time zone, and optionally, a secondary time zone. Your primary time zone determines how times appear across your calendar, so make sure it reflects where you and your practice operate most of the time. A secondary time zone can be useful if you collaborate across regions or travel frequently, allowing you to view times with dual context while keeping your primary setting as the anchor for scheduling. When everything looks right, click Save to apply your changes. Your calendar will update immediately to reflect your selections, giving you a clear, streamlined view that supports the way you manage your day. You can return to these settings anytime if your schedule evolves or your time zone needs change. That's it. Your SimplePractice calendar is now tailored to your practice.